All right, welcome back. We are going to show you how to do, this has been driving me nuts on streaming. Go to OBS, we're going to do 2-camera recording or 2-camera broadcasting. Video capture device, we'll just do that, and then USB. There it is. All right, so that's how you do it. I had to reboot it, but nonetheless, now what I got is 2 displays. I mean, this is really good because now I can do a picture-in-picture and have a close-up of, let's say we want to do a close-up of a bait or something. You're not bleeding, you're not fishing. So now what I can do is that I can take this, and with me in a picture-in-picture, I could go ahead and do stuff like this. Do it up close, do a close-up, do a far, whatever. All right, now it didn't work with a webcam, a traditional webcam. This only worked, okay, with my sports cam. I know. Picasso Brave 7. I don't know. But if I try to use that camera over there at the same time as this camera, the Logitech, you can't do it. Not on Windows 11. I've tried so many different ways, and I just couldn't do it. So, I don't know, guys. I mean, it's just one of those weird things that you just can't... I mean, you just can't do it. But with this, now I can. So this camera is actually proving really valuable to me because, I mean, this little itty bitty camera is going to be my second camera for broadcasting. I'll be using it a lot. We're going to do underwater cameras footage with it. We're going to do a lot of stuff with this Picasso Bravo 7. And look at the picture quality. It's not too bad. I can go ahead and do some filters on this. Nice thing about OBS, I could do some, I can make the brightness go up, contrast come, look at that. Now I can actually, look at that, that's pretty sweet looking, huh? Now, look at that. So anyway, I'm pretty excited about this. It's going to do some really cool things. So for those who want to use a 2-camera setup in OBS, you really, I mean, using an action camera that can do it, because this has an option to do it, is really the best way to do it. So anyway, my little 2 cents for today. Now we'll exit. And there's a screen recorder.